Military officials have sought ways to eliminate targets without placing personnel in danger as military technology has evolved. This has resulted in the development and usage of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. These vehicles allow militaries to bomb targets from the air with no pilot, or at least no pilot on board. Over 100 countries have some form of the military drone program, with military powers such as China, Russia and the United States continually updating and modernizing their fleets in order to have the fastest and most powerful drones in the skies. Join us today on Drone Zone as we walk you through the 10 most advanced drones in the world. Number 10. Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance or male unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, that can fly remotely or autonomously. It's made primarily for the Turkish armed forces by the Turkish business Bayraktar Makine Sanayi ve Ticaret A. An aircrew in a ground control station monitors and controls the aircraft, including the use of armaments. Seljuk Bayraktar, a former MIT graduate student, is substantially responsible for the UAV's creation. The TB2 drone achieved 400,000 flight hours worldwide as of November 26, 2021. The Turkish military is the major user of TB2 drones, however an export model has been supplied to a number of foreign militaries. Turkey has regulated deployed drones in strikes on Kurdistan Workers' Party, or PKK, and People's Protection Units, or YPG, targets in Iraq and Syria. Bayraktar drones were later used by a number of different countries around the world in various wars, including Azerbaijan in the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict and Ukrainian forces during the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Number 9. X-47B. The Northrop Grumman X-47B is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle demonstrator developed for missions from aircraft carriers. It's intended for aircraft carrier operations. Northrop Grumman, an American defense technology corporation, produced it as part of DARPA's JUCAS program. This drone became an important component of the U.S. Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstration, or UCAS-D, program. The X-47B is a jet-powered blended-wing tailless aircraft capable of semi-autonomous flying and aerial refueling. Number 8. TAI Aksunga II. Aksunga, which is Turkish meaning Falcon, the largest of the falcon species, is a medium-altitude long-endurance or male unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. The Turkish Aerospace Industries, or TAI Aksunga, is an unmanned aerial vehicle designed for the Turkish Armed Forces. This drone is created using existing TAI Anka series drone technology to make it more reliable and better. It can carry more payload for mission-specific equipment. It's intended to be used for long-term surveillance, signals intelligence, marine patrol missions, and as an unmanned combat aerial vehicle. TAI plan to integrate armament kits and commence Aksunga production in early 2020. The first unit was delivered to the Turkish Naval Forces on October 20, 2021. Number 7. Valkyrie XQ-58. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions designed and built the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie, a stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, for the United States Air Force's Low-Cost Attritable Strike Demonstrator, or LCASD program, which is part of the USAF Research Laboratory's Low-Cost Attritable Aircraft Technology, or LCAAT project portfolio. XQ-222 was the initial designation of this drone. On March 5, 2019, the Valkyrie took its inaugural flight at Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona. This drone is part of a low-cost attritable aircraft technology, or LCAAT portfolio, which implies it is mass-produced and produced quickly. Number 6. Reaper MQ-9. The MQ-9 Reaper is the world's first hunter-killer unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, with long-range high-altitude surveillance capabilities. The MQ-9 General Atomic Aircraft is larger, heavier, and more powerful than the MQ-8. MQ-1 is a Scourge. Although it's not the most technologically advanced drone available today, it is the one that has been invented, adopted, and utilized the most. The Reaper has become the poster child of modern drone warfare, bringing entire armed confrontations to a standstill and provoking far too many disagreements to count. It has received a slew of improvements, a dozen pilots, and millions of flying hours. Number 5. Sharp GJ-11 Sword. Shenyang Aircraft Build Institute or SYADI, Shenyang Aerospace University or SAU, and Hongdu Aviation Industry Group collaborated to design the Hongdu GJ-11 Sharp Sword, a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle or HAIG. Hongdu is the manufacturer. It's a descendant of the AVIC 601S program, which is one of the proofs of concept design winners. In 2013, it was sighted for the first time in the sky. Although little is known about this drone, the Chinese description states that the Hongdu GJ-11 Sharp Sword has a huge internal weapon bay and the capacity to deliver laser-guided missiles, which would likely result in performance comparable to other stealth drones of this sort. It has a 14-meter wingspan, a single turbofan engine, an internal weapons bay, and a stealthy propelling nozzle. The Sharp Sword's particular objective is unknown at this moment, although likely missions include aerial reconnaissance and surveillance. Number 4. Avenger Predator C. The GA-ASI Predator C Avenger is a remotely piloted aircraft. The aircraft took its first flight in April 2009. The maximum takeoff weight of the combat drone is 8,255 kilograms. It can carry numerous sensor payloads attached to its wing hardpoint mountings, as well as precision mutations and huge sensors weighing up to 1,588 kilograms in its internal weapons compartment. The aircraft's total payload capacity is 2,948 kilograms. Hellfire missiles, guided bomb unit or GBU-12-49 laser-guided bombs, GBU-31, GBU-32, GBU-38, 38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions or JDMAs, and GBU-39 and GBU-16/48 bombs are among its armament payload. The Predator C Avenger has faster operational and transit speeds than the Predator B. The military drone can reach altitudes of up to 50,000 feet thanks to its Pratt & Whitney PW545B turbofan engine. It has a top speed of 400 kilometers an hour and a running time of 20 hours. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and let's get to the top 3. Number 3. TP Heron. Israel Aerospace Industries built and developed the Heron TP, also known as ATAN, an automated taxi takeoff and landing or ATOL drone. The Israeli Defense Force is using the combat drone. It has a maximum payload capacity of 2,700 kilograms and can carry numerous mission systems such as synthetic aperture radar or SAR, global system for mobile communications or GSM, communication intelligence sensors, and combat payloads such as guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles. The aircraft, which is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney PT6A 1200 bhp engine, can fly for more than 30 hours at a maximum speed of 220 knots. The aircraft's maximum allowable takeoff weight is 5,670 kilograms. Number 2. Anka TAI. Since 2017, the Turkish Air Force has been using the Anka Unmanned Aerial Vehicle or UAV. The UAV, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries or TAI, is intended to meet the Turkish Armed Forces requirements for reconnaissance, surveillance, target recognition and detection. The Anka UAV has a total payload capacity of 200 kilograms, which includes an IFF system, laser designator, laser finder and weapon payloads such as the Roketsan Smart Micro Munition or MAM-L, air-launched missile launcher and laser-guided Sirit 2.75-inch rocket. Turkish Engine Industries developed a 150-horsepower turboprop PD-170 engine for the combat drone. It can fly for more than 24 hours and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,600 kilograms and a maximum altitude of 30,000 feet. Number 1. MQ-9B Sky Guardian. The MQ-9B drone Sky Guardian RPA will join the Royal Air Force in 2020 as part of the Protector RG-Mk1 program. The GA-ASI UAV is designed to meet the NATO STANAG 4671 UAV system airworthiness requirements, as well as the UK DEFSTAN 00970 design and airworthiness standards. The UAV has a maximum takeoff weight of 5,670 kilograms and 9 payload stations with a payload capacity of 1,814 kilograms. It can carry 500-pound GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs and or AGM-114 Hellfire missiles as combat payloads. GA Detect ASI's and Avoid DAA system is used in the Sky Guardian RPA. It can fly at elevations above 40,000 feet, reach speeds of 210 knots, and stay aloft for more than 40 hours. That's it for today's video. Let me know which is your favorite drone. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video just like I've enjoyed making it. Make sure to comment with any future videos that you're interested in watching. I'll be seeing you all soon, but until then watch this video to learn more about Turkey's all-new lethal drone of the future. And as always, subscribe or crash.